You're watching Al Arabiya English. I'm Melinda Nucifora, and we're pleased to have a special interview to bring you with Wael Al-Sarhan, the Chief Communications and Support Services Officer for Saudi Arabian Military Industries. Thank you so much for joining Al Arabiya English.
Thank you, Melinda, and it's a pleasure to be with Al Arabiya English. Welcome to SAMI.
Thank you so much. SAMI is showcasing more than 60 national products and capabilities here at the World Defence Show. So talk us through how you would assess SAMI's progress and development.
Amazing. First, just a small correction, 61 national capability and a product that we're showcasing. I'm very happy to be standing here on SAMI Pavilion in the third participation as a national strategic champion partner for the World Defence Show. I had the pleasure to be with SAMI in all the three participation, and I would call this an exceptional participation for multiple reasons. And I will start with, first, SAMI is going through a unique and amazing transformation. Started with the change in the leadership, with His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman chairing the board of director of SAMI. With his guidance and leadership, we are going through a transformation from a company to a strategic holding company and laser focused individual subsidiary for special needs. Each company will be focusing on a unique specification and need more closer to their client. And let me start with what we have announced. SAMI Land. SAMI Land company will be focusing on working with the land forces and the end user in the land sector for developing combat land system, armored vehicle and turret system, and etc., and doing the design, manufacturing, and also maintenance, repair and overhaul. Also, we are very proud to announce the start of the operation for SAMI Land Industrial Complex, a unique facility designed under the 4.0 technology. A lot of robotic system that's been used, and SAMI Land Complex is fully operation to serve our clients. Under all of this, we unveiled a new project under SAMI Land, which is heat program with an indigenous capability, fully owned IP to SAMI, 4x4 and 8x8 vehicle. Amazing vehicle that took the attention of the World Defence Show. Moving also, if I may have some time, we announced SAMI Autonomous System Company to be focused working on the autonomous system on the multiple platform, land, air and sea.
There is a lot of attention, a lot of focus from SAMI on these future technologies, highly capable advanced technologies. Why is that a particular focus? I mean, battlefields are changing so quickly. Is that the reason that these high-tech focus is something that Saudi Arabia is interested in?
We work in a very big ecosystem, and not only SAMI to be a national champion and to be an international OEM, we have to be focused on the future technology, but also our end user and our client are very interested in the new system and the new technology and the latest trends that they need to upgrade their system to have. If I don't be ready to match my client need and specification, actually we need to be ahead of the game, proposing and bringing to them the latest technology, but not to forget that we have to localize all of these know-how and transfer these technology, if not being developed by Saudi talents.
How is that localization going as part of Vision 2030? I mean, there are a lot of international partnerships, of course. How has that transition gone?
International partnership is an important in the defense ecosystem and the defense industry, and something well known across the globe in different international OEMs. But back to your question, I think we are very focused on the target of Vision 2030 under the guidance of our regulator, the General Authority of Military Industry, and they announced amazing numbers of crossing 24% of the target, which is 50% local military procurement by 2030, which inshallah I think we will participate heavily as SAMI Group to achieve that. Also, adding to your question about local content, it's very important to share that SAMI proudly announced in this participation a unique program. It's called RUKN. RUKN means the cornerstone, and this is the cornerstone of the supply chain. So we launched SAMI Local Content Program, fully automated across all our subsidiary. Any partner, any future supplier that want to work and integrate within SAMI ecosystem, they can log in through our website, go to RUKN, click on RUKN, and go through the steps to register as a supplier within SAMI Group.
There have been so many memorandums of understanding, joint cooperation agreements signed here on the sidelines of the World Defence Show. Why do you think international partners, countries and companies are so interested in doing business with Saudi Arabia?
I think we under the transformation and the Vision 2030, we are not only the focus of the Middle East, we're the focus of the world. There's a lot of opportunity in Saudi, and there is a lot of opportunity across all domains and sector, not only defense and security, in technology, in AI, in robotics, in machine learning, and so on. And we're very, very proud to live in this unique era, okay, where Saudi is going to these future goals, and inshallah we will achieve it. Speaking specifically about this industry and how it all came together as an ecosystem, all of the end user, the regulator, the R&D, the university, the industries working together, which made all of the international partner. We want to be part of this unique ecosystem that work in seamless way together toward peace and prosperity.
Just finally, sir, I know that SAMI has a very ambitious goal of being amongst the top 25 defence companies in the world by 2030. How do you assess that progress going?
I would say that we are more focused on a unique goal, which is keeping our client and end users happy, equipped, fulfilling their needs, and if we do so, we will reach the 50% localization goal, and we will reach the top 100 defense company. A company that was announced in 2017, started the operation in 2018 to be in the top 100 list in just 2 years. It's remarkable.
Indeed. Wael Al-Sarhan from SAMI, thank you so much for joining us here on Al Arabiya English.
Thank you so much, Anne. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Pleasure.
you.
Thank you.